Let's take a look at these 4-inch halo recess lights. The reason I got these is because you can do color changing, and I'm interested in 2700, but there might be a time where 3000 is good, but you can also do 3500, 4000, and 5000. Plus, you can adjust the lumens. You can get 600 lumen or 900 lumens. So these are pretty practical and can kind of grow with you in your space. This is my first time opening this box, but I actually have these lights installed in other places in my house. These are direct mount baffle trim, so you don't need a J-box or housing for these. You can kind of, put these right up into your drywall and your ceiling. These come together in two parts. So this is like the actual inside internal electrics that you use to kind of like pop in and actually do your wiring and the installation. And then these are the actual lights themselves. So they connect through this quick connect little thing here. And this is actually pretty interesting because you put your pins in here, then you can thread this to make sure it's really nice and locked in. So this is pretty good so that it's never going to separate from you. This is the control for the lumens. So you have 900 or 600. So if you, already have these installed and you want to actually change the color temperature or the lumens, you kind of have to pop the light off the box and then reach around for where this is actually wired and then adjust this. So have an idea of what you want before you actually, close everything up. But 600 lumen and 900 lumen are your options for here. Here's a switch for the color changing. And this is actually really interesting. There's this DTW, which means dim to warm. And if you look on the backs and the instructions, you can actually use your dimmer to set the mood. So you can go from 3000 to 1800K. So that is a really interesting way to kind of like adjust your lights in a specific thing, specifically using your dimmer switch. But if you want 2700K is where I'm going to leave my lights. But if you have a preference to 3000 or 5000, that's what you need. So you can even see it gives you a good indication of the color. So 5000 is going to be this kind of like blue light. And the 2700K is going to give you that nice warm white. The actual lights themselves have these really strong springs. So when you're installing these and taking them out, watch out for your fingers. But these are going to be what actually secure the lights on your ceiling, in your drywall, your sheetrock, whatever. You do get this little foam gasket here. So that's going to insulate a tiny bit, but it's also going to protect your ceiling on this lip of the actual light canister here. And this actual light measurement is pretty thick. I'll give you a measurement in a second. And the front specifically looks like this. So you get this really nice design. You get this little ring here, and then this is where the actual light comes out of. So this is sort of the whole full picture here. These are 4-inch lights, but the actual like housing measurement is about like 5 1/8. And then the actual inside portion of the light measures about 3 3/8. So I don't really know where they get 4 inches. Maybe it's some other opening, but that's the measurements for the top section here. For the back canister, it is about 2 inches deep or so. It's kind of hard to tell. Maybe 1 7/8, 1 1/15, something like that. So that's a good idea. And then the back measurement, if it matters, is right under 3 inches. It's about 2 7/8. So this should give you a good idea of the specific measurements if you have any size considerations that you're trying to make. But overall, these lights are super high quality. They were recommended to me by my electrician, and I picked them up before we installed some lights. And I already have these in other places in my house, and like I said, they are super high quality. And lastly, here is sort of like a walkthrough of the box if you want to pause the video and read a little bit more detail about what the box provides if you can't find those photos. So hope you found this review helpful, and thanks for watching.